Nevada Virtual Academy, are you ready? Proficiency exam, SAT, ACT, problem number 8. If s squared equals t to the negative 1 and t to the power of 1/4 equals u to the power of negative 1/3, then what is the value of s in terms of u? And I'm getting dizzy. What should we do in here? Okay, obviously, you know, you have the 5 options in here. They don't help a lot. Let's see what is s in terms of u and what should you be doing here. Okay, and I will start with the last equation, last equality here. T to the power of 1/4 equals u to the power of negative 1/3. And actually I should be consistent here and use and write that fraction the same way like the other one. Okay? Well, the other one says s squared equals 2 to the negative 1. Now here I have t to the 1/4. Okay? What should I do? Well, if I will have t to the first power, that may help me because I know that t to the negative 1 equals actually 1 over t, right? So if in here I can change that t to the 1/4 into t to the first power, or just t if you wanted, I will be good. How can I do that? Well, do you guys remember one of the properties of powers that said that a to the power of m, everything to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n? How is this going to help me? Well, I'm looking at this 1/4 power and I'm thinking about what number I should multiply that by to get 1, right? And that number will be 4. So I will raise this side to the power of 4, and I will raise the other side to the power of 4. This will keep my equation true, right? I will still have the same equality. Now, t to the power of 1/4, everything to the power of 4, would be t to the power of 1/4 times 4, which should equal u to the power of negative 1/3 times 4, right? If you want to use parentheses here, you can do it. T to the power 1/4 times 4 is 1, and that's what I was looking for. And that equals u to the power of negative 4/3. Alright? Well, I'm looking for t to the power of negative 1 now, because I know that's equal to my s squared. Alright? To find that, I need to find what is 1 over t. But I will substitute that t with u, right? What is t in terms of u, which is right here. And that gives me what? T to the negative 1, t to the power of negative 1 will equal 1 over t, which is what? U to the power of negative 4/3. But do you guys remember another property of exponents that said if you have 1 over a to the negative n, this is the same as a to the power of n. Okay. So applying this property in here, I can tell you that t to the negative 1 is actually what? U to the power of positive 4/3. Well, but t to the negative 1 is actually equal to s squared. So let's plug this one in back into my initial equation and write it down. Okay? So now I know that my s squared equals u to the power of 4 over 3. To find s, I will take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root, you're actually raising everything to the power of 1/2, right? So this is actually s to the power of 2, everything to the power of 1/2, which should equal u to the 4/3, everything to the power of 1/2, and that equals what? Well, s squared, everything to the 1/2, we know is s, which equals u to the power of 4/3 times 1/2. You can cross cancel here, 2 goes in 4 2 times, and the answer will be u to the power of 2 times 1, 2 over 3. And this is the value of s in terms of u. And I'm looking here at my possibilities. It seems that the right answer is E, right? And this is one way in which you can solve this problem. Any questions? No? Thank you then.